Hi, everyone. Welcome to Excel, Class 3, the new option in Excel. That's right, it's time to get creative with worksheets. Who knew Excel could be very exciting? Let us jump in. First, find the File tab. It's like Excel's treasure map, presenting you to all sorts of interesting options. When you click on it, you'll get a list of options. But today, we are moving straight to New. It's like opening a box of chocolates, there are so many lovely templates to pick from. Okay, let's begin with the classic, the blank workbook. Excel's white canvas. 1. You can do anything here, create a budget, track your health goals, even plan your next world supremacy. I mean, business expansion. But what if you say, I'm not a Picasso of Excel sheets? Don't worry. Excel provides a ton of templates to help you get started. Started. 2. Check this out. Budget templates. They're similar to snacks that come with all of the ingredients pre-measured. Simply follow the directions, and bam! You've got a flawlessly balanced budget. Let us keep going. Do you need to plan your week? Calendar templates in Excel make it easy to manage your schedule. You can color code your appointments, add reminders, and even block out time to binge watch your favorite show. Priorities, right? Popcorn. Perhaps you are a project manager. Check out the project management templates. They provide Gantt charts, task lists, and other tools to help you stay on track with your projects. Three. And if you don't see what you're looking for, there's a search box where you can locate even more templates. It's like having a hidden cache of Excel greatness. Need a template for keeping track of your movie collection? You got it. How about creating a template for your fantasy football league? Not a problem. There you have it. The magic begins with the New option on Excel's File tab. Whether you start from scratch or use a template, there is something for everyone. So go ahead and click on File option and let your creativity run wild. Thanks for joining me on Excel Class 3 Feet, and remember, Excel is more than just numbers, it's a world of endless